Hey, Money Magnets. Service Credit Union $30,000 credit card shocks Navy Federal fans.
Look, guys, not only do they have great credit cards and high limits, their personal loans are great as well.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the first card.
All right, they got the Visa Everyday Card, which has a low introductory rate, no annual fee, has travel and emergency assistance, and also you can secure it with your checking account. So what this lets me know, they can help you even if you have beginner credit or bad credit. You can also secure this with your checking account if you're having trouble with your credit. But Gloria, you tell them about the best card that they have.
Okay, Marvin, the Visa Signature Everyday Elite card. Now,
Right.
This card right here is a big boy. So you need to make sure that credit is on point, okay? This card goes up to $30,000. Can you imagine one credit card with a $30,000 limit?
That's
you
nice.
know, that's better than Navy Federal, okay?
Yeah, and it's not going to replace Navy Federal, but this is a good addition to have in your wallet, guys.
And Marvin, for some of those Navy Federal fans that got kicked out of Navy Federal, this is a good credit union to start reestablishing yourself, okay?
Yes.
So let me tell you some of the benefits of this card, okay? So you get 1.5 points on all purchases, okay?
Nice.
And you spend $1,500 in the first 60 days, you get a bonus of 15,000 points, okay?
Nice.
This card has no annual fee. And as I talk about all the time, these credit unions are starting to have cell phone protection, no transaction fees. These credit union cards are really starting to take over. So let's dive into the next card.
All right, we got the Visa Everyday Starter Card. Now, this is a good card if you have no credit.
Okay.
The limit goes up to $1,000. So let's say if you're a teenager or you're just getting out of the military, or maybe you just paid cash all the time and never started credit.
Yes.
This would be a good card to start with, where it give you a limit up to $1,000. And guys, you can always graduate to the cards we just talked about. But Gloria, let's start telling them about the loans and lines of credit that they have.
Okay, Marvin, let's look at what they have to offer. Okay, Marvin, this credit union has several different types of loan that you can acquire, okay?
Right.
And they go up to $50,000. Can you imagine $50,000 if you want to do like some debt consolidation, or, you know, maybe you're planning a trip, or you're getting married? These products can help you achieve all of your goals.
Yeah, like if you needed a personal line of credit, they have that as well. Also, they got energy efficiency loans. If you needed to do some work to your house, maybe add some solar or get some kind of work done, these type of products here can help you with your car, can help you with your house. If you, like Gloria said, if you're getting married or if you're moving, these are the products that can help you out. But Gloria, let's tell them about the auto loans.
Okay, now Marvin, with the auto loans, like, you know, we always want those motorcycles like you. Marvin and I took a trip to Tulum and we rented a scooter. So we're thinking about buying a scooter or ATV. You know, this product can most definitely help you achieve your goals because, you know, under the auto loans, they have so many different aspects of loans that you can actually acquire to get some of these different vehicles that you may want. If you want a boat, you know, we thought about getting a boat when we were on that yacht. You know, that would be a good fit. Or if you were even looking at an RV, you know, this loan right here could most definitely help you. And the rates are very competitive. And the process to get approved is very easy.
Gloria, let's not forget to tell them they have a car loan payment calculator where you can actually calculate what your payment might be. The process is really easy to get approved for an auto loan. Also, remember, guys, if you wanted to refinance a loan, you could also entertain that with Service Credit Union as well, because you may get a lower rate. Let's say you started off, you had bad credit, you had things going on, but now your credit is better. Get out of that high interest rate, guys. That's what it's all about. It's not what you make, it's what you keep.
Yes.
All right, Gloria, they got one other loan that really stuck out to me that I wanted to talk about. They have what's called an iBot loan. So if you got anybody in your family that's handicapped or uses a wheelchair, this is a loan that goes up to $50,000 that can help them actually get a wheelchair that goes up the stairs. They have a lot of products that most credit unions really don't have. And I thought this was unique to bring up because we have a son that went through an accident, and this could be great to help them get a wheelchair. Or if you got family members or friends that need a wheelchair, check this out, guys. I thought this was great. But Gloria, let's tell them about the mortgages.
Okay, Marvin, I talk about this all the time. Keep in mind, credit unions are all about the community. They are a nonprofit and they want to give back to the community. So make sure you're looking at what products best suit you. And let's dive into this mortgage, Marvin, because they have so many products on the mortgage side until I just love it.
And guys, make sure if you're a part of Service Credit Union or you're thinking about being a part of Service Credit Union, make sure you comment below what your experience has been, or keep us abreast of the journey that you're about to take by joining. But let's dive into the mortgages, Bo.
Okay, so Marvin, a few of the loans that they offer, the first-time home buyers.
Right.
So if you've never purchased a home before, this would be a good loan to look at, as well as they have a jumbo mortgage loan, Marvin. For those of you who want that big boy house, it goes up to $726,000, you know. And let's not forget about the VA loans. You know, like if you're military and you served in the military, or you may have retired already, you can get a VA loan, which requires you, it has to be your primary home. But it gives you, you don't have to put any money down. Can you imagine purchasing a home with $0 down?
Yeah, that would be great. And look, for you construction and rehab guys, guess what? They got real estate rehab loans. They have home construction loans. If you want to build your house from the ground up, make sure you check this out. But Gloria, before we go too far, let's tell them how they join and then what bureau they might pull.
Okay, Marvin, so let's just do a quick recap, okay? This credit union is most definitely amazing and something that you want to look at. And in order to be a part of this credit union, all you have to do is join the American Consumer Council. We talk about this organization all the time, and it opens up the doors for you to join several other credit unions. So it only costs you $8. But if you go there and put in the code consumer, you can be a lifetime member for $0.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And look, guys, they normally pull TransUnion from our research, but we've heard in certain areas they may pull Experian. So make sure your TransUnion or Experian has less than 3 inquiries. Also, when they pull that inquiry, the inquiry is good for 30 days. So that means you can probably get 2 products. You might be able to get a car loan and a credit card, or a personal line of credit and a credit card.
Oh, but Marvin, let's not forget, they do have a business side. And if you decide that you want to get a business credit card, you can get the business credit card with that 1 inquiry as well. So this credit union allows you to get up to 3 products, okay, with 1 inquiry. So keep that in mind, Money Magnets.
And guys, remember, if you want us to do a video about the business side, drop a comment below. And also, guys, remember, this is a military credit union, but like Gloria said, anybody can join.
Okay, Marvin, I have a gem.
All right, what you got?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you want to know another credit union that's better than Navy Federal, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.